Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ban penyat syakmat ia ke Jingïakren yasuk bat ka Hnlc ka Sorkar jelah menta kasngi ka shitarik uyayong arhajar arpuar kala Ïakynduh ya Ksiang uba kala thung dangshen uba PS dekar ban Ïakynduh sani kumno ban penyat syakmat ia kane kakam. Haba Ïakynduh bat umentri rangba ukonrat sangma ulayatu ba ke Sorkar kala Ïakynduh ya Ksiang bat kane kadai karukam kaba ke Sorkar ke haban le ban penyat ya kakam syakman. Ulaong bala Ïakynduh Halor ka syongsuk syongsan bat hab ban aipor bat hab ban sngotu bakidon kiba amla ban yatu lot baro. Ulaong ba ka ei ka badon kam kalong ba ke Sorkar ka trang ban yo ya ka syongsuk syongsan ha kane ka jelah. Haba yade berkejing don kam ban talasi ya ki kali sipai kumbala ptha da ka ying bishar kum kejing pet ngor namar kejudon kejing kenok ba kadon kajing wanra drok daki kali sipai na kaliang umentri rangba ulaong ba ke Sorkar kan pej benia haba yadai bat kani.
As I said, it's a process, so difficult to say right now. So process will continue. We hope that we'll be able to move things at a faster pace. So that's what our objective is right now. Okay.
Coming to MECL pro report, can you share the recommendations?
As I said, it is with Chief Secretary right now. As soon as I got it in Delhi, I've sent it to Chief Secretary. We will be sharing, they'll be going through it, and the presentation will be given to us. And once that is done, to us means the cabinet. And once that is done, then we'll take a decision on how to move forward.
So there are allegations that drugs are being transported through army vehicles, and even the court had recently ordered.
We'll examine that. We have not, I cannot comment on that right now because I've not seen the reports and neither have I, don't have information on that. But from the government side, obviously every step that has to be taken to ensure that this menace is brought under control, obviously government will do whatever is necessary.
So we were given to understand that the other aspects of law and order were also touched upon in the meeting. If you could give us some.
As I said, it's more to do with the entire peace process. So we are confining our discussions to that. It may happen in the weeks, maybe days. So it's a process. As I said, it's difficult to give any kind of a update to you. It's not correct. It's a process. So you have to give it time. You have to allow the system to work. You have to understand that there is things that cannot be shared. I understand that you would like to know, but it could jeopardize the entire discussion and process. So one has to respect the process and the entire mechanism in which it's done. So therefore, I would have loved to share more information, but as I said, in the interest of the solution and in the interest of the process to move forward, we can't share everything. But what is important for the people, the state, and all of you to know is that the government is committed, and we are ensuring that that we continue to put pressure and to monitor the progress of the work.
So
Process, as I said, and the process has to continue. So I've been very clear from day one that every meeting does not have a conclusion or does not have any news. It's just a process. But the most important part is the government is committed to move things forward. And that's the reason we are ensuring that continuous communication is taking place. At this point in time, there is limited information that I can share. But as you can see, we're continuously pushing this to ensure that we can reach the logical conclusion.
What about the HNYF leader? Like they are offering him to negotiate.
Well, as I said, those the details you can talk to the interlocutor. So, from my side, now all the process and discussions are to the interlocutor.